Welcome back to another road trip. Starting from the Sabino Canyon parking lot, head over to the BearCanyon Trailhead to the right of the visitor center. The trail starts out easy and flat and will intersect with a tram road, turning right to continue towards the Phone Line Trail. Once the small bathroom comes into view, turn right and cross the small bridge to continue on the Phone Line Trail, because it actually forks off to the right to the Blackett's Ridge about 0.6 miles in. At this point, the trail starts to ascend and will continue to do so for the last 1.7 miles, which earns its difficulty rating. In the middle, there are several switchbacks, and also there are a few pseudo peaks on the way where they seem like the summit but are not. Keep pushing forward to the summit because the trek is worth it.
How did you say it?
I can't even try and imitate it, but they just can't say it.
Jollibee. How's a Jollibee?
Earned and amazing.
I'll tag you. I'll eat Jollibee. Oh no! Blackett is asking for a taste as well.
Where's that little deer?
Yep. This one is for free. Very natural, just like.
A metal sign that states end of Blackett's Ridge Trail marks the true summit. At the top, refuel yourself with snacks and water while you enjoy the incredible panoramic views and your hard work. The downhill return is much easier as expected. Part of the Coronado National Forest, this hike is a must when you are in the area. Although in the popular Sabino Canyon, Blackett's Ridge is great for its low foot traffic. The middle of the trail gains high elevation in a short distance, but the effort is definitely worth the stunning views throughout the hike and at the top. The trail has very limited shade, so best times to go are early morning or before sunset.
Here we go.
Oh, it's not bad.
Walk on those and risk falling in, or get
It'll be smooth.